Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you this beautiful paper, Craft Creation a DIY wreath, with a touch of nature and elegance. Look at these vibrant green leaves they're made, entirely out of paper and carefully folded to give them that natural, layered effect. And the star of the show, this stunning white flower. It's handcrafted from layers of delicate paper petals to add a soft, sophisticated finish. This project is not only a wonderful decoration for your home, but also an amazing gift idea for someone special. Plus, it's eco-friendly and super fun to make. All you need are some basic craft supplies, green and white paper, glue, scissors, and a bit of patience. I'll walk you through each step in this tutorial, from shaping the leaves to assembling the flower and designing the final arrangement. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crafter, this project is perfect to get creative and bring a little greenery indoors. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more DIY inspiration. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see me make next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.